So guys, right now I want to teach you how to change your needle. I noticed something. Whenever some persons change their needle, they usually notice that their machine will no longer be sewing well again. But before they change the needle, the machine, or maybe the needle broke and they need to change a new needle. After they finish changing, you'll just be like, ah, sir, my machine is no longer sewing very well. It's cutting thread and all this kind of thing. One of the reasons is because they don't really know how to change their needle. They don't even know how to place it, how to position it. Do you understand? So I'm going to teach you guys how to do that, how to position, how to place it the perfect way, so that whenever you change your needle, your machine will still maintain the perfect sewing it has always been doing. Do you understand? So let's do that, guys. Now look at the needle here. Are you seeing? We are going to be bringing it out, but before you bring it out, there is a place you have to loosen. See where my hand is? I want to show you this part. Okay, are you guys seeing it, guys? Look at it here. Are you seeing it? So when you loosen this thing like this, see, going through this way, the needle will be loose so that you can be able to remove it. Now let's see. Are you seeing? I've been able to remove the needle. Look at it. I've been able to remove the needle. Now fixing it back now to some people is actually a problem. Now let me teach you guys how to fix it back. In order to fix back the needle, there's something I want you to see. Is I would like this thing to focus so that I can be able to show you something. Okay, see this needle? You see this particular part of a needle? Are you seeing it? All needles are like this, especially this type of needle. There are different types of needle. Hope you know that. Now, let me show you the other part. Let me turn the other part. Are you seeing this other part? Are you seeing there is something like a hole here? Are you seeing there's something like a hole here? In fact, when you do your hand like this, if you do your hand like this, you'll be feeling that hole here. Are you seeing it? Why the other side? Look at it. The other side, you can't find that hole. Are you seeing it? This side, you can find the hole. Are you seeing it? There is a depth in there. Are you seeing it? So this particular place you are seeing has a position whereby it faces. It has a place it faces. Whenever you are fixing your needle, see, place it in a way that you see the smooth side will be at the right hand side. The rough side will be at the left hand side. What do I mean by this? Now look at it. Whenever you are placing it, now let me put it. If I put it first, then I will not tell you. See, we are still putting. There is a hole under here. See, there is a hole under here. That is where you're going to be putting. That's where it actually came out from. So let's put it. The moment you put it in that hole, you have to place it very well and tighten it here from here. Do you understand? Tighten it from here. So let me put it. I will show you guys. Okay guys, look, I want to show you something. You see this side that is facing the left hand side? Are you seeing it? Is the smooth side that is facing the left hand side. If you mistakenly fix your needle like this, see the smooth side, are you seeing it? The smooth side, there is no rough when you are doing your hand like this. You should know the part that's supposed to be facing here. Whenever you do your hand, like, if it is rough, it is not rough. So this side, your thread will keep cutting and you will not even know where the problem is. All I have to do now, I'll have to make sure I turn it so that I'll be feeling the rough side like this here. Let's do that. Okay guys, look at it here. If you notice, this is actually the rough side. I don't know how to make you see it very well. Are you seeing it? There is a depth in here. You see, when you do like this, it's actually very rough. Now look at it, it's very rough. So you can now take your thread and put in here, and this is the perfect way of fixing it. Now if I bring it down, you can be able to see what I mean. Are you seeing it? Make sure the wrong side, the rough side is facing here, while the smooth side is facing the inside part of your machine. Do you understand? The inside part of your machine. Look at it here. Okay, so this is how to fix your needle. I think I have been able to explain this thing in a very nice way for you guys to understand. Thanks, and may God bless you guys.